Hey, this is Noah from Scardust. So we printed this beautiful design for our Sandstorm tour. We call it unisex, but the truth is, well, it's a men's t-shirt. Now that's not fair, right ladies? So I've decided to take some of these t-shirts and transform them especially for you. I'm not going to plan anything, just take them scissors and just go for it. You can use this video as a t-shirt transformation tutorial. Go wild on your old band's t-shirts, or you can take this Sandstorm t-shirt that you bought or going to and transform it yourself, or you can go to our Bandcamp page or meet us at any of our shows and get yourself an especially transformed one that I am going to make right now with you guys watching me.
Thousand grains of sand, looking past the shells for who I used to
Scardust. Yeah. Go to our Bandcamp page and get yourself one of these plain to transform or an already transformed one that I made here today. I'm going to think of more cool design t-shirt transformation ideas. And meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.